If you've never been to the gym, watch this video. Feeling nervous about stepping into the gym for the first time? Trust me, we've all been there. The moment you walk in, you're like, what do I even do first? Or, why does everyone look like they know exactly what they're doing? I know, it can feel like everyone watching you, but the truth is they're not. Most people are just focused on their workout. So today, I'm here to take away that fear and giving you the ultimate beginner guide to owning your own gym time. We're going to go over everything you need from basic equipment, simple workout plan, and how to walk in confidently, even if you're really totally new. By the end of this video, you'll exactly know where to start. Hey everyone, I'm Rebecca Marianne. I've been doing this for a few years, and trust me, I still remember those first gym day. I've picked up a lot of little tips along the way to make your first session way easier. Starting something new is always a little nerve-wracking, and going to the gym for the first time it's no exception. It's totally normal to feel a bit out of place. So my advice is don't aim for a perfection right out of the gate. Just focus on the small, achievable goals. For example, instead of setting goals like I need to lift heavy or I have to get fit in a month, try setting goals around building habit. Saying, I will go to the gym twice in a week, or I will spend 15 minutes to learn new exercise. And you will be surprised how quickly these small wins add up. And remember, every single person in the gym starts somewhere. And it's all about showing up and taking it one step at a time. Now let's talk about super simple workout plan to get you started. We'll keep it basic and focus on hitting the main muscle groups without overdoing it. So we can start it with warm up. Start with 5 until 10 minutes of the light cardio, walking, cycling, whatever feels good. This warms up your body and gets you ready to move. The next is strength training. We can choose 2 until 3 machines to start. For example, you could do a chest press, leg press, or a seated row. Aim for 2-3 sets of 10 until 12 reps on each. Start with a comfortable weight one. That's a challenging, but still keeps you a good form. The next is a core exercise. We can finish up with 1 or 2 basic core exercise like a plank or some crunches. Just a few sets here will build that core strength. Just remember, it's all about starting simple and building confidence with each session. This plan covers everything you need to get going without feeling overwhelmed. So here's the areas at the gym you will gonna use. When you first walk into the gym, it might feel like there's a 1 million thing going on. It might feel like there's a 1 million thing going on in a different area, different machine. So let's break it down and make it simple. So there's a cardio area. This is where you will find treadmills, bikes, and elliptical. If you're feeling nervous, start here. A quick warm-up and cycle is perfect for getting comfortable. So the next is a weight machine. These machines are honestly the best for a beginner. They're designed to help you with your form, guiding your movement, so you can start building strength safely. You can try out those chest press or leg press. They are super beginner friendly. The next area is the free weight. Once you get more comfortable, you can explore to the free weight area. Start with a lighter weight and get used to the movement. No rush, you will build confidence as you go. Just remember, the gym isn't as intimidating as it seems once you get familiar with this space. Now it's common beginner mistake to avoid. Alright, let's talk about a few beginner mistakes. Few common mistakes that almost every beginner, including me, makes. Knowing this can save you some time and maybe a little soreness too. Number 1. Use too much weight too soon. It's tempting to go heavy right away, but trust me, starting with a lighter weight helps you build solid form and avoid injuries. And you will make a progress faster by mastering the basic. The mistake number 2 is skipping the warm up. I know we all want to dive right in, but warming up, prepare your muscle and reduce risk of an injury. Just a quick 5 until 10 minutes. It's all you need. Mistakes number 3. Avoiding certain area because of nerves. Whether it's a weight section or a certain machine, it's normal to feel nervous at first. But remember, no one is judging. You can start with what feels comfortable and explore new area as you build confidence. It's all part of learning process. So don't stress about making a mistake here and there. They're how you to grow. Let's warm up on some tips to keep building a confidence, because feeling comfortable at the gym is a key to making it a regular habit. First off, just remember that everyone starts somewhere. Those people you see lifting a heavy weight or doing advanced exercise, they all had a day one, just like you. Take it at your own pace and do not compare yourself to others. Just focus on your own journey. Just keep showing up and remember, you've got this. Alright, thank you for sticking with me to the end. I hope you're feeling a little more prepared and excited to start your gym journey. Just remember, it's all about a progress, not a perfection. Just showing up, and it's a huge step. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment. And I'd love to hear about your own first gym experience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're looking for more beginner-friendly fitness tips and workout. Can't wait to see you back here to the next video. Bye!